Shuddhi of temple. No, not at all. That I told you. How safe Kapalbhati? No, during menstruation Kapalbhati should be avoided. Jalaniti also, during menstruation all these processes should be avoided. During menstruation I told you what should be done, that much. इतना भी करो तो भी ठीक है, कितना कुछ करने के लिए है ना?
हाँ, right.
हाँ, सो जो नहीं करना है वो क्यों करना है को, हमारा ह्यूमन माइंड इज लाइक उल्टा, ऑलवेज गोज टुवर्ड्स दैट विच इज बिन रेस्ट्रिक्टेड, ये मत करो तो वही करेंगे, है ना? सो इसके लिए पहले क्या करना है उसी को आप करो, ओके, एंड फोकस योर एनर्जी ऑन द थिंग दैट हाउ, अगर आप कर भी रहे हो तो उसको आप कितना रिफाइन करके कर रहे हो, you know. So you should refine your actions, whatever you are doing, you should keep refining. There is a lot of scope of refinement. मैं भी मतलब हम सब संदीप जी, हम भले हम एक at some level we have reached, but still there is always scope of improvement. रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम जो मैं आपको सिखा रही हूँ, जो मैंने पहले बैच को सिखाया था, जो मैं आगे के बैच को सिखाऊंगी, स्टिल हैज यू नो पॉजिटिव इम्प्रूवमेंट्स keeps on happening. So keep yourself in this sync of accumulating knowledge, main assimilation, accumulate तो करते ही है but assimilation होना थोड़ा सा, and then contributing. Okay, so there are some question again, Anita's questions are there. Just a minute. Is function of reproductive system change based on climate? हाँ, climate आप जहाँ जिस climate से हो, किस इससे, so it's like it's this cycle which I told you, the cycle of menstruation. It you can relate with the summer, then your spring, winter season, like this externally the climate which we say, even according to that you can relate your cycle. Inside women's body specifically all these seasons happen, that's why it is called rutu chakra. In Ayurveda it is called rutu chakra, okay, and the period when after menstruation it is called rutukal. So rutukal is the fertile time. Post menstruation after 2-3 days, the 12 days period has been said that it is a fertile time. In that fertile time also 2 to 3 days when that ovum comes out, that 3 to days from the day of 12 to 17 days, this is the fertile time where the conception chances is more. ओके, सो आपको ये डेफिनेटली क्लाइमेट के हिसाब से भी है, आपको अपनी लाइफस्टाइल चेंज करनी है. देन देर इज सेकंड क्वेश्चन विच अनीता हैज इन द आस्किंग, is change in the D vitamin effect on cycle? Vitamin D is important for the for your bones, health of bones, and definitely as per Ayurveda, Shukra dhatu is nothing but it is the end dhatu. Okay, so it depends on the health of your earlier dhatu, and asthi is the earlier dhatu than Shukra dhatu. So the health of bone definitely going to impact on your health of your reproductive organs also. So vitamin D is important for the health of bone, so it is going to impact on your reproduction also. Why yoga giving important to brahmacharya if dharma artha kama moksha is important? Brahmacharya, what is this question? Can you just explain me? Brahmacharya is the part of all those dharma artha kama moksha. Brahmacharya means kya? Walking on the path of brahmana. Brahmana means the universal law, right? ब्रह्मा जो नेचर्स लॉ है उसके साथ हमें चलना है, एंड धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष आर गाइडिंग यू व्हाट यू शुड डू फर्स्ट, व्हाई यू शुड डू दैट, देन हाउ इट बेनिफिट्स you, and what is the ultimate benefit of it. That is what four things. Dharma is telling you what you should do, then then artha is telling you how you should do it, what is going to help you. If you do your duty you will get some benefit in the form of material survival, that is artha, and that material survival and your duty both are going to ultimately give you pleasures, right? That is the kama, and you are able to fulfill your desires in this life with the help of this earth and doing duty properly. And that when you complete all these three things, ultimately you are going to get that blissful state. So these are things which is the part of your life, and brahmacharya is telling you to follow this, the nature's law, nature's way of living life, you know, eating, keeping yourself in the survival state as much as possible without harming others, contribution. So there is no, not such a brahmacharya is part of this purushartha. Okay. What is endometriosis? I have already explained. Is there any need to explain again, Anita? Endometriosis? Okay. जलनीति का बताया मैंने. How many days after menstruation period is correct? Better time for fertilization. मैंने बताया ना, 12 to 17 days. आफ्टर मेंस्ट्रुएशन के बाद के 12 दिन का जो पीरियड है, दैट इज अ फर्टाइल पीरियड. ओके, मेन. But in that fertile period also, the most fertile days are this, starting from 12 to 17. 4-5 दिन ही हाथ में होते हैं हेल्दी कंसेप्शन के. ओके.
Can I ask a question now?
Yes, yes, please.
Thank you very much. So we studied about endometrium.
हाँ,
The thickness of
endometritis.
endometrium is very considered as a sign of healthy uterus. How we can keep it healthy, or how we can keep it thick? What kind of yoga practices or pranayam we can do, or the food we should follow or eat?
अभी मैंने जो डाइट डिसिप्लिन लाइफस्टाइल पूरा जो मैंने आपको चार्ट बताया, that
Okay.
is the thing which you can follow to prevent this endometriosis, and also practices which I told you. Now endometriosis, since it is related to layer which is internal layer, and it is related to blood vessels which are nearby to it.
We
Okay.
need to concentrate on nervous system.
Nervous system also, circulatory systems also.
Circulatory
So your
system.
circulatory system and circulation should happen properly, means there should not be any blockages, you know, other than, you know, this particular part. Even somewhere else blockages are there, they are indirectly is going to affect in nourishment of this particular part also. Okay.
And if somebody already have it, does the intercourse gonna impact it or
It is
affect it?
painful. It is painful.
And if they are planning to conceive, so they should,
First
the
resolve
pregnancy should
this.
be
First they should resolve this problem of
urinary
endometriosis,
disorder.
and after that they can plan the pregnancy, and then definitely it will be okay.
Okay. And during the menstruation, the apana should go downwards.
It is already going down. You should, it should not, it is already going down. You should just be in sync with that. You should
because
not restrict or do any inversion so that अपान वायु का फ्लो है वो कुछ अलग जगह पे जाए. ऐसा नहीं, एक्टिविटी नहीं करो इसके लिए. You should not do much activity. Okay.
And ma'am, proper practice of asanas only will reduce the pain of menstruation. Many girls, even women, also used to suffer from pain during menstruation.
Yes.
So proper,
If you do proper asana, if you understand your body, if you understand the natural rhythm, then yes. Because pain, see, pain कहाँ पे, sensation कहाँ पे है, कौन किसको पता चलता है पेन है, कैसे पता
brain.
चलता है? Hypothalamus. Yes.
Yeah.
Right. So so ultimately practices which asana will act on your body, and pranayama, pratyahara, dharana practices will act on your brain. And so combination of these practices ultimately help you to sync this body brain communication, right? And then it is going to improve the healthy physiological function and avoid that pathological disorder.
Yeah. Yes.
To manifest. And if it is already manifested, so they need first to eliminate that and find out the cause, remove that cause, and then reset in the normal things, and then to continue that again, continue practice, you know, so that they will not lose that balance which they have achieved through so much effort.
True.
So we study a lot about the feminine body or reproductive system. If we go to the male body and reproductive system, like us, like feminine body, do they also have kind of cycle or something like that, or is just
Yes,
normal?
I told you, na, the way we have menstruation, the way we have follicle maturation, even same thing in male body. They have testes, they have sperms. Inside that testes, sperms are maturing. That mature sperms are stored. It has been, taken out. Then it has been ejaculated. So everything is there. The physiology is there. Okay, and even they have, even where we have the menopause, they have andropause. Only the difference is the every month, the way it has been manifested or sign is there for us. They don't have that
They
sign.
don't have it physical.
Yes,
They also go through the hormonal changes and
not
these
much the
changes,
way we,
not
but
much,
yes, they also have it.
a little bit avoidable.
No, no, avoidable nahi hai.
It's not very much like seen, like we
It's
go
not
through a
much.
lot of twins.
It's not much, discuss, but everything happens in their body also. Only the manifestation is little bit different. They may have that other power to, just to absorb or just understand and move ahead. Whereas women being sensitive, being, having that emotional brain is more active, so it gets,
We have a long
confused.
process to go through, like 5 days or more than that.
And there
So
are
we have to
also
catch a
many
lot,
pain.
like constantly breathing or bleeding also.
So all those things, so men are there to support women. That's why Shiva and Shakti power is there, right? So the whole this Srishti Utpatti is not, is women only can't produce. Okay, she
That's
needs
true.
support. Okay, she is Shakti, but still she need passive support, passive energy, which is in the form of Shiva. And Shiva is main, the who is actually regulating all those things. So Purusha Prakriti, Shiva Shakti, all these things are definitely important. You
And
cannot, give this secondary anyone.
they are
Okay.
equal in that
Oh
case.
yes, we are equal.
Both need
Hmm.
to develop it. So fallopian tube, if you talk about it, it has only one process, which is developing the baby, and then it passes through and goes into the fallopian tube,
Developing nahi, creating.
creating.
Hmm.
And after
Developing
that,
inside the uterus.
we like it play no role.
What?
After once it's developed, once it's created
Huh.
and pushed into the uterus,
Huh.
the baby,
Huh.
it plays no role afterwards.
9 months, it is definitely in resting mode. 9
Uh,
months till that baby grows and that baby comes out after childbirth. Then again, means after, when even after childbirth, around 6 month, again menstruation starts.
mm,
So that time again this fallopian tube starts functioning, collecting that ovum from the ovary and waiting for sperm, and then
mm,
if sperm doesn't happen, then again sending it towards uterus.
that's
So
the
this is continuous process, but yes, there is a rest time for fallopian tube for time being 9 months when it has done.